Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. And this last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 3rd, 2020, the fourth and last Sudoku. This will be number 1967, yes, 1967. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left for the 5. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. That box can also not be a 5 because we have a 5 here. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 5. That means the other 2 boxes should be the pairs 1 and 3. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Yes. 1 and 3. Two, 5. Need more information? Need no more information. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. Let me see. This box cannot be 2 or 3 because I need a 2 and a 3 there, so the 3 should be in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. right. So this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here. It's not the solution. So the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. We have a 2 here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 5 are left. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be 3 or 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 or 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. So this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, because we have a 5 here. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 3. So this box cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. This should be a 3. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. So 2 boxes left, a 4 and a 1. And I cannot fill a 1 here because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there and the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. And I see here a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is not a solution here. So the 4 should be there. Yeah. And now 1, 3. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. That means those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. These three boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These three boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes, so this should be a 2 and this should be a 5. That means those four boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 3, that means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes, so the 3 should be there and the 1 goes here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 2. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, so 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4. Alright, now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 3. Yes. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those numbers. 1 and a 4. How about this? Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. 4 and 3 are left. 4 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Wow. I'm surprised. And I like this Tectonic a.k.a. Suguru. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on a Friday, December the 4th. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.